So students, let us solve one more problem on trigonometric identities. See this. Here we need to show that secant power 4a minus secant square a equal to tan power 4a plus tan square a. These are very simpler problems. Actually, we need to adjust them from one form to another form. Here you can clearly observe that here your LHS part is in terms of secant square terms, and here you need to convert them into tan thetas. Understood? So there only you might have understood what we have to do. Let us see. Take LHS part. LHS will be equal to what? Secant power 4a minus secant square a, right? Now, for my convenience, again I am going to write secant power 4a as secant square a whole square. Can we write it like this or not? Yes. Minus secant square a. Secant power 4a can be written as secant square a whole square, or else now can we take common secant square a or not? Actually, we don't need to write secant power 4a also, we can leave it like this. Okay, I wrote one step extra. Anyways, we can take common secant square a from this. Secant square a can be taken common. Now here one secant square a will be left over. Here minus 1 is left. Okay. Now just see, here we have given the expression in secant terms and we need to obtain in tan terms. So we need to use the trigonometric identity, second trigonometric identity, that is secant square a minus tan square a equal to 1. Now take this tan square a to another side. Then what happens? Secant square a equal to 1. This minus will be converted to plus tan square a. Now wherever you will get secant square a, there you can substitute with 1 plus tan square a, right? So now we'll do same. Here secant square a is there. Put down 1 plus tan square a as we obtained. 1 plus tan square a into, again secant square a is here, 1 plus tan square a, 1 plus tan square a minus 1, write it as it is. This is minus 1, and secant square a is written as 1 plus tan square a. And as you know that 1 can be cancelled, plus 1 and minus 1 can be cancelled. Okay, now what is left over? 1 plus tan square a into, this is tan square a. Okay. Now here for the further simplification, we can multiply this tan square a with 1 and tan square a into tan square a. Okay. Tan square a into 1 would be how much? Tan square a. Tan square a into tan square a would be tan to the power of 4a. Okay. So we can write this as tan power 4a plus tan square a. Means I wrote this term first. Okay. Anyways, did we obtain our RHS part or not? So therefore we obtained RHS. So we took LHS and to obtain the RHS. Therefore LHS and RHS are equal. Hence it is proved. Understand? We could prove it by just converting secant terms into tan terms by using secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Like this, we can prove each and every problem of trigonometric identities. Little bit adjustments are required, and you need to focus and you need to be smart while doing answer for that. So anyways guys, for today this is it, and don't forget to comment.